how to install Steam on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to download and set up Steam on your PC in just a few steps. First, open your browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, go to store.steampower.com in the address bar. From there, click on Install Steam at the top right of the page to begin the download. At this point, click on Install Steam again on the next page to download the installer. Let me show you. In the next step, once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the steamsetup.exe file to launch the installer. From there, a user account control pop-up will appear. Click on Yes to allow the installer to run. At this stage, the Steam Setup wizard will open. Click on Next to begin the installation. Following this, choose your preferred language and click on Next again. Once done, choose the installation folder where you want Steam to be installed. The default location is fine for most people. Then click on Install to begin. From there, wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your PC speed. Following this, if you already have a Steam account, click on Sign In and enter your credentials. If you're new to Steam, click on Create a Free Account and follow the steps to set one up. Here's an important note. Steam will download a few additional updates when it first launches. Let it finish updating before trying to access your library or the Steam store. And that's it. If this guide helped you install Steam on Windows 11, give it a like. Subscribe for more Windows tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.